Oh, I'm sure it's in here somewhere. It's gotta be. Oh, look. There you are. I've been searching for you everywhere. Let me just clean it. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I'm trying to exercise. What are you doing here? I'm in the shower. What are you doing here? I'm trying to make a video. Oh, hang on. You're meant to be here. Got a bit carried away with me old intro there. Here to make a video. So I'm just shooting the breeze and letting you know why I've been away. So what happened at the end of the last year? Suddenly videos stopped. Making videos, boom, videos stopped. Well, I guess the real instigator was just leading up to Christmas last year, our cat died. We'd only had it for a year and it was pretty sad, just died. Not sure why, but I just didn't feel like being in front of the camera after that. Then this doesn't really have anything, it's just an update. It doesn't have anything to do with me not making videos. I got engaged on New Year's Eve, so that's something new and interesting. No, she's not going to suddenly walk into shot because being on video is not her thing, which is cool. And then at the start of the year, I was getting absolutely smashed with a couple of web projects. I have a business doing websites, graphic design, logos, that kind of stuff. Just totally smashed, brain exploding. Yeah. Along the way there somewhere, Logan Paul decided it was a good idea to put a dead body in his video and thumbnail. And off the back of that, I actually did consider not coming back to YouTube in at least this form. But the only thing necessary for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing. So here I am. So more recently on YouTube, I've been doing more with my music. So those who know me know that I'm also a musician. So I've been uploading content. I'll put links up here and at the end of the video and down in the description. So I've kind of been doing that because that's something that I've been doing for a very, very long time. And I just guess I needed to pull my finger out, as they say. Do they only say that in Australia? Pull your finger out. I'm not going to say where you pull it out of, but maybe that's an Australian thing. Look, at the end of the day, at the moment, unfortunately, YouTube kind of has to come a little bit secondary to a lot of other things because it doesn't earn me any money. But with your support, hopefully it can. No, this isn't me introducing my Patreon. Just support the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Remember to click the bell so when videos do land, you can watch them. And please support those videos. Watch the videos. Share the videos if you find them helpful or useful. Give them a thumbs up. Comment. It all helps me out and I really do enjoy creating this content. So that's about it for this video. I do have more videos in the works, producing some things at the moment, working on some edits, products to review, things to film, plenty to talk about. I'm Simon, this is Tech My Life Video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.